It is a massive week for the Magnificent Seven. Meta, Microsoft, and Tesla just released their latest earnings reports for the quarter ending December 2025, reported January 28, 2026. Let's break each one and understand what it has for the retail traders. Chapter 1. Meta, the AI spending machine. Alright, let's talk about Meta. Mark Zuckerberg didn't just report numbers, he dropped a bomb on the market, and the stock is soaring nearly 10% because of it. The numbers: Meta hit a record $59.9 billion in revenue, up 24% from last year. They earned $8.88 per share, which absolutely crushed the $8.21 Wall Street was expecting. People are still glued to their screens too. Daily active users across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp hit a staggering 3.58 billion. The big pivot. But here's what you really need to know as an investor. Meta is shifting from a social media company to an AI infrastructure company. Zuck announced they are going to spend between $115 billion and $135 billion this year alone on AI and data centers. To put that in perspective, that's more than the entire value of some Fortune 500 companies. Retail takeaway: Reality Labs, the metaverse part, is still losing money, about $6 billion this quarter. But nobody cares because the AI-powered ad business is a cash printing machine. Meta is betting the house on personal superintelligence. If you're a shareholder, you're now investing in the world's most expensive AI lab. Chapter 2. Microsoft, the Cloud King's reality check. Now let's look at Microsoft. Usually when a company beats on every single metric, the stock goes up. But Microsoft actually fell about 5% after the news. Why? Let's dig in. The numbers. Microsoft is officially a cloud monster. Revenue hit $81.3 billion, and profit came in at $4.14 per share. For the first time ever, Microsoft's cloud revenue crossed the $50 billion mark in a single quarter. Azure, their cloud platform, grew by 39%, which is huge. The concern. So why the sell-off? Two things. First, their spending, CAPEX, jumped to $37.5 billion, which is scaring people who want to see profits now. Second, investors are looking at their $625 billion backlog of contracts and realizing that 45% of it is tied to OpenAI. Retail takeaway: Microsoft is the safe AI bet because they are already making billions from it through Copilot and Azure. But the market is getting picky. They don't just want growth. They want accelerating growth without the massive price tag of more data centers. It's a show me the money moment for the Cloud King. Chapter 3. Tesla, beyond the car company. Finally, we have Tesla. This was the biggest surprise of the night. Even though they are selling fewer cars than they used to, the stock popped over 3%. The numbers. Tesla beat expectations with $24.90 billion in revenue, and an earnings per share of $0.50. Now, the elephant in the room. Vehicle deliveries for the full year 2025 actually fell to 1.63 million cars. In a normal world, that's bad for a car company. The plot twist: but Tesla isn't being traded like a car company anymore. The energy storage business had a record-shattering quarter, deploying over 14 GWh of batteries. Elon Musk also confirmed on the call that the Cybercab robo-taxi is on track for production in April and that Tesla is investing $2 billion into XAI. Retail takeaway: if you're looking at Tesla through the lens of how many Model 3s did they sell, you're missing the story the market is buying. Investors are now betting on Tesla as an AI and energy giant. With robo-taxi production around the corner, this has officially turned into a high-stakes bet on the future of autonomy. Let's do a community poll. If you had to put $1,000 into just one of these today, which would it be? Type Meta, MSFT, or TSLA in the comments right now. I'm curious to see who the retail favorite is. For your reference, here is the snapshot of earning data for all three companies. Thanks for watching. If this liked the video, please like and subscribe the channel. That means a lot. Thank you. For daily stock market related analysis and discussion, please consider joining our Discord channel. Link is in the description box. Let's talk trade.